So I'm gonna talk about target heart rate. So what is target heart rate? Target heart rate is this threshold of training heart is the range of which your heart rates should be elevated while doing the activity to get the effect of your own physical fitness. So target heart rate is like if you wanna achieve it's like it's how your heart rate will affect a good improvement in your body. If you don't hit your target heart rate, it's useless actually if you exercise. So every time you exercise, you need to have a target heart rate. For example, it said 50 to 70% is moderate intensity, but above 70% it's already vigorous intensity. So for me, I wanna go at the range of 60 to 70, and now let's try how to calculate our target heart rate. To use the target heart rate, you need to use the Karvonen formula. So first, let's talk about MHR and RHR. MHR is maximum heart rate. RHR is resting heart rate. So, and the percent means of the intensity, the intensity you desire. So the Karvonen formula works like this: MHR minus RHR times percent of intensity plus RHR equals target heart rate. MHR, maximum heart rate, is how to calculate MHR is 220 minus your age. So I'm 16 years old, so let's do minus 16. 220 minus 16, it's my age, equals 204. So 204 minus MHR. So for the RHR, or resting heart rate, based on our module 1, take note of your resting heart rate for uniformity's sake. Use your radial pulse just below the base of your thumb on your wrist. Count your pulse rate for at least 3 consecutive mornings. This should be done early morning when you wake up. Count the pulse rate for 15 seconds, then multiply it by 4 to get the pulse rate for 1 minute. So my RHR from October 6 to October 8 was 16 beats. 17. So my resting heart rate is approximately 64 beats per minute. So if I use the Karvonen formula, MHR minus RHR times the intensity plus RHR again, and equals target heart rate. MHR minus 204, RHR minus 64, intensity, the amount I want is 60%. So 204 minus 64 times 60% plus 64 equals 138 beats per minute. So that's how you use the Karvonen formula to achieve your target heart rate, and the amount of intensity is also a percent of how much you want. So that's basically the target heart rate.